Welcome back, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to give shapes an outline on Canva. So the first step is to open your project, then go to the sidebar and select elements. Then from here search for your shapes. So you can select any shape that you want to use. You can use this one, or even an arrow, or even a love heart. So now we have three shapes whose outline we want to change. So let's start with the love heart. So click on it, then change the shape color. You can use your document colors, or you can use a solid color, a gradient, it's all up to you. Then you also have the option of changing all the colors if you desire. So once you've changed the colors of the shapes, click on your selected shape and you should see the option labeled border style. So click on it. Then choose what type of border you want. You can have a solid border or you can have it dotted. It's up to you. Then you can increase the size of the border using this border weight slider, as well as if you want any round corners or not. So you can do this for all the shapes that you've added onto your project, and you can just continue customizing like that. So then once you've changed the shape, or you've added a border, you can also change the color. So click on the border or on the shape, then you should see this option labeled border color. Select it, then choose a color that you want to use. So you can have a purple or you can use a gradient as well. It's all up to you to decide. So you can do this for all the shapes that you have again. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.